Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I have another double review of Civivi's newest releases, and I can't wait to show you. As always, I bring you guys Civivi's latest releases every month, so make sure you subscribe, comment, and like on this video if you like what I do, and also make sure you check out Civivi here on YouTube. I will put the link to their website here, as well as codes to save you some money. Let's start with the review. All right, guys, we're going to start with the Synergy 3. This is one of the latest releases. I want to show you a little bit of the unboxing experience. I don't think I have done this in the past, but Civivi always provides a box with the barcode and the model number, which I find very useful. Then you get a pouch with a zipper, and on the inside, let me just take everything out so I can show you the pouch. It is lined with fleece to protect your knife, which I think is a good feature. Then you get a Civivi knife sticker with, a message if you like the experience you can share with your friends and family, warranty and product information. And then you get another Civivi sticker and a cleaning cloth. So again, the packaging, I think it's amazing, especially, we're talking about this knife is actually retailing for $110 MSRP. MAP is $93. Truthfully, you guys, you get a lot for your money. And this one is actually, one of the perhaps a little bit more expensive knives. I'm going to show you next the second one that I will be reviewing. And it's actually even more budget friendly. So again, let's talk about the Synergy 3. Flipper, which I love. If you are a first time knife user or if you're not very familiar with knives, I think Flipper is a great one. I feel like flippers are like the least possible to fail when you're deploying. Most will say that that's a fixed blade, which I agree, but when we're talking about folder knives, I think that flippers are a great first knife for EDC. So, easy, you kind of grab it, flip it. You don't need any additional skill to make this useful. So this one has a liner lock. So the liner lock, the way it works, if you're new to my channel, is you have this liner right there. With your thumb, you move it to the side, and then the blade releases down, and you need to move your finger so you don't cut yourself. Now, let's talk specs about this Synergy 3 because I really like it. This is an all black knife, which I appreciate so much. If you guys are like me, you like to pair your knives with your outfits, this one would be a good one for what I'm wearing today. I think, there's something to be said. My most favorite knives are always all murdered out. So black blade. We also have a black handle with a pattern. That's really sweet. It also has a deep pocket carry clip, also in black hardware as well, black Civivi logo right there. Really neat design. I love it. The designer for this knife is young, not young in age. Maybe that's his last name. But anyway, let's talk about specs really quick. So the clip is deep pocket carry, is tip up only, and it's very understated. I actually like that for EDC, so you don't want something poking out of your pockets as much. I think it's really cool. As I said, it's flipper. It has a Nitro V steel, which Civivi has been doing a lot of in the last few years. I have reviewed a lot of knives with that steel. I will put a link here in case you want to see another one with a Nitro V steel. Really cool steel. It allows to keep your knife durable for a long time, but also it allows you to save you some money without breaking the bank. Okay, what else? Let's talk about measurements. So it has an overall length of 7.67. The handle length is 4.43, so that will be your close length, and your blade length, it is 3.24. The knife weight is 3.7 ounces. It is a perfect knife for EDC. Let's see, the ergos are amazing actually. I prefer smaller knives, so that's why I'm gonna be reviewing the next one, and that's kind of a little bit of my favorite one. And of course, G10 handle. There you go. Okay, let's start with the next one. All right, next up on this double review is the Civivi Elementum 2. I have already reviewed the Elementum in the past. Really amazing knife, one of my most favorite ones for EDC. It is so smooth because it runs in ceramic ball bearings. It is super easy to use. It has that button lock, which is so great. It also has a price point that you can't miss. It retails for $75, such a great price for an everyday carry knife, especially one that looks and feels and functions this well. I absolutely recommend. Okay, let's talk about the knife. So flipper action, as I just mentioned, all blacked out. Again, one of my most favorite features. It does have jimping on the blade, which is great. It has a lanyard hole right here if you'd like to add paracord. I don't, but again, it's nice to have. Deep pocket carry clip, minimalistic as I like it. It's thin, it's great, it's tip up. Let's see. The steel is a Nitro V on this one as well, I believe. Yes. And of course, you know, drop point, it's black stone washed. Beautiful blade design. I love that. The handle is G10. You can see right there, really smooth. The ergos on this knife are probably on the top of all my Civivis. I really appreciate that. The size is great. So the size, overall length, 7.06 inches, blade length of just slightly under 3 inches, and the weight is 3.12. Again, absolutely perfect for EDC. I actually would recommend this one for women just because it is on the smaller side. It is easy to use. It is lightweight. The ergos are good. First time knife, I think it would be a good one. So absolutely recommend, you guys. That's it. This concludes the double review of the Civivi Elementum 2 and the Civivi Synergy 3. Beautiful knives, both black, absolutely incredible, just slightly different as you can see. But again, beautiful products, great price, great value, amazing quality as always with Civivi. If you guys like them, go ahead and check out the link in the description of this video. Use my code to save some money and support Civivi. That's an amazing brand with amazing knives. I will see you guys soon in another knife review or try on. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and also check out my links for social media down below and follow me there, support me on Patreon, and I truly appreciate your support over the years. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you soon.